Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to play Roblox uh, on two accounts at the same time with different uh, accounts. So first of all, you have to open your Windows menu and search for Roblox, and or you can also go to your apps uh, by clicking on settings and going to apps and select installed apps, and you have to search for the Roblox from here, and you have to look for the app and see uh, which version of Roblox is it from downloaded from the Microsoft store, or is it the desktop version. So if you have the desktop version, you have to download the Microsoft uh, version of the Roblox from the Microsoft Store as well. And if you have the Microsoft one, you have to download from Roblox app the desktop version. So to download from the download the desktop version, you have to come to the Roblox official website, and after coming here, you have to just download the app from here. You can just also search for download Roblox and click on enter and go to download Roblox option and download Windows app. You have to click on that, and if you want to get it from the Microsoft store, which will be needed if you want to run two accounts at the same time, so you have to search for Microsoft Store on your Windows menu, and you have to type Microsoft Store. As you can see, here's the Microsoft Store. You have to get onto the Microsoft Store and search for Roblox here. After that, you have to click on Roblox. As you can see, here's the Roblox. So you have to just click on get and download and install the Roblox, and log in to your Roblox account with a account information, and with another account information you have to log in on the desktop version which you have downloaded and installed. And that's how you can use multiple account, like two accounts at the same times, and play in Roblox. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.